I've never feather filled before. That's what we're doing today. What's going on, guys? Matt over here, Lethal Garage, and today we're back up here at Craig's working on the Lethal Classic. We're also working on a 68 over there, but today we feather filled the car, and unfortunately they did it before I got up here, so couldn't show you that process, but literally it's like laying primer on the car. You can see what it looked like. So we got a nice fresh coat of feather fill. How many coats did you apply? 3? So 3 full coats, but you could really see the car has come to life. You can see the lines, you can see all the body work that we've done. It has really paid off because it's given us a really nice canvas to work on. Now what I've started to do is already started blocking this side. So I got my guide coat, put guide coat over everything I'm gonna be working on. Hopefully we do more than that, but you can see I got this top ledge already covered here, and we're starting to work here towards the back. So I'm using the longer block from Big Kid's block now. I haven't felt very confident with this block because I'm not used to it, but you know, you want to keep it as straight as possible, but you know, the longer the block you use, the straighter the car's going to pan out. So it's always good to use a long block if you can. So I've grown really comfortable with this smaller one, but I need to move away from this on the open panels and start getting to the longer setup. So today's really getting it to a point where we're sanding and blocking down the first feather fill and working our way up to the grits. So right now we're hitting it with an 80 and we're gonna go 150 after this. So let's get to it. So I've been blocking out the top half of the car, working up on the roof. Feels so smooth. Got the trunk. This actually turned out really nice. Nice and smooth. Transitions are nice. Now I started working on this upper area, A-pillar, and time for the rest of the roof. So originally I had planned to capture the feather fill for my car, but by the time I got up here, it was already feather filled. But they're gonna feather fill parts of the 68. So I can show you that. Got a lot of sanding done. In the 71, whole roof is done. Looking pretty good. Trunk is done. So smooth. And then I've been working over here, getting all these transitions with the round block. Unfortunately, Big Kid blocks doesn't make a round block yet, so I had to use the Durablock round block. Got all these transitions. But now I'm gonna start working on the open areas. But let's capture some feather fill action. But there you have it. Sanding for today is commenced. Feather fill on that car. I guess it's still going. Another layer, 3rd layer. But really happy where the car's at, considering it got glazed over, 150 grit, feather filled, and then today I was on it with 80 with the Big Kid blocks. We also used the Durablocks round block because Big Kid doesn't make a round block yet. And yeah, you can see where we still have guide coat in areas that we didn't get yet, but it's coming along. So overall, still a lot to do. The goal is to block out the whole car 80, give it another coat of feather fill, and then from there 150, jump up to 300s and then 400s, and car's ready for paint. But we'll bring it back down to the Lethal Garage, we'll fit and finish the interior and rip that all out and then send it to paint. So that's the goal, that's the plan. I have no idea how long that's gonna take, but we'll see what happens. But thanks for checking out the video, and until next time, see you on the road.